Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And today I actually wanted to do a review. Usually I don't, this channel is not about reviews. I usually don't do reviews on this channel. So you are getting to see something that I actually believe in. And this is why personally I'm going to be sharing this product on the channel, just because I want to put my faith in it. And there are multiple reasons why. So if you do decide to get results with Kevin AI, the link will be in the description, but will also be in the comments below. But make sure that you understand that I am also an affiliate for the product, which is why I'm going to be sharing my affiliate link and I will get a commission for it. Just know that. Okay. So there are couple of reasons why I wanted to share specifically this product. It is launching today at the time of when I'm shooting this video, which is the 18th of March, and it's just launched. Now, Kevin is, as you guys can see right here, a vendor on Warrior Plus. I personally have bought products of his in the past. In fact, I use one to create reports every single day. It is a phenomenal product itself. It's called Fresh. I don't know whether I have done a review for it, but any which ways, I share it with my list and it's been working for me really well actually. He even has an entire marketplace, but this is not about that product. This is about Kevin AI, which is basically a tool that he's created right now, which actually solves a lot of problems. You see, as an affiliate marketer, guys, if you're not leveraging AI to write your content, to help you, assist you with your marketing the right way, then you're missing out. Now you can spend time on AI and get it to help you with your marketing, but on the back end of it, you also can make the mistakes of having a lot of AI generated content, which many people are used to seeing. So there's a high probability, and I face this every single day when it comes to email marketing, there's a high probability that you don't get conversions. I see a lot of people doing email marketing with AI, and unfortunately they don't get the conversions that they need. And specifically, like in the strategy that I personally follow, which uses a catalyst to be able to email 100 to 200 leads every day, but you have to write good emails. A lot of people are making mistakes with these emails and they generate pretty much 100% copy paste system, which doesn't get results. And it doesn't get results because it doesn't take maybe elements of AI into perspective. You don't learn how to prompt with it. So results with AI are basically what is solving this problem. Okay. Now I'll share with you what I mean. I'm going to go to the entire JV page, but also to share with you the product itself. And I think it's at a really good price. And also this is the first thing. So it's solving a problem of writing and using AI itself for product creation, for your email marketing, for all of these different elements. We'll go over the tools that they have. And at the same time, you have the longevity, because this is a tool where Kevin is taking a lot of the time and effort. He's been doing this for 15 years. So 15 years worth of his knowledge and expertise are going into these products itself. And they are being leveraged to share on, to just develop it for yourself. So you're getting marketing experience from it, you're getting product creation from it. And in fact, this entire structure, this entire sales page, this entire affiliate offer is being built with Kevin AI itself. A vendor who's using his own information, his own product, his own, to build everything, it makes a huge difference, right? You can really see it in progress. So let's go over what you're going to get. But this is the offer on Warrior Plus. So if you have a link in the description, it'll take you basically to this page right here, and you'll be able to see everything else. So let me make myself a little bit smaller so I can go over what you're getting with with Kevin AI. Okay guys, so here I am, and just to show you on the sales page, as you can see, first and foremost, this entire sales page has been built with the tools. But what are you getting? You're getting basically 7 new AI tools that will help you definitely with traffic generation, high commissions, get faster sales, get maybe conversions as well. But remember, these are tools, which means as a marketer, you are leveraging these tools to be able to get better results. Okay, so imagine that you have to take the element of writing, which is a lot of the times the effort that we're doing with AI, away. Now you will see at the time of when I'm shooting this video, this is going to be at a very low price because it is just the start of this launch, and this price most probably will go up, guys. You can see it starts at a $4.95 for 7 days, and then it goes to a $95.99 $95 per month, and you can cancel obviously every time. This is a recurring payment, so it's a tool that's going to be developed and there for a long time. The first 100 members get locked at this discounted price, and then it's going to go to going to go much higher. But for now, it's going to be at 19.95. So make sure that you are within at least these 100 subscribers to get this amount. So these are results of Kevin. I'm just going to show you himself that he has created these results. But when you attend webinars, when you have affiliate products, maybe you're promoting other offers and services and something like that, most of the time you are using AI right now, and if you're not, then you should be. However, the difficulty is that you are not able to, you don't get the conversions, the right conversion. So what this is going to help you, I'm just going to give you the products and the tools that are available. But let's say the product creation AI, this tool is going to help you brainstorm ideas. It will develop a product for you. Let's say you want to have a free offer, good real product that is on the front end that you can maintain for a long time, but it's built by AI, and then you can start to take that free offer and then build a back end behind it where you're promoting other products and services. It really depends on you. It'll show you exactly how to create those low ticket offers, mid ticket offers, everything that's there. You can see right here, it says also the email marketing AI coach. Now, this is something that I personally am going to be recommending to even my students who are using already my prompt. I am definitely going to share with them Kevin AI, because as you can see, it is a coach. So let's say you want to write a specific campaign or a specific day that you want to share certain subjects, whether the subject lines are good, bad, how to improve the engagement, how to improve and boost your email marketing as a whole. You can talk to the coach, and based on your problems, it will give you the right answers. Okay, so these are bots are specifically created based on 15 years of experience, but also it's going to be updated as Kevin does his own marketing as well. Okay, and just to say that he's done over 7 figures with multiple products and services that are there. So that's one really cool tool, and just this tool itself, in my opinion, is worth $4.95. So having already one and two is all a brilliant thing. Then the other one, which I think is going to be very useful for a lot of people, specifically affiliate marketers, is going to be the traffic generation AI coach. And this is an AI coach that is basically a bot that is sharing with you proven strategies. It's going to give you an outflow. It's going to tell you your target audience. It's going to tell you who to speak to, so that you're not randomly just promoting to anybody. It's not giving you plug-in solutions, definitely not, but it's guiding you along the way. One of the things that most affiliate marketers struggle with is traffic generation, but also they struggle with a clear, systematic, strategic process that goes in with saying, okay, I need to do this first, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. This traffic generation coach is basically going to tell you how to generate that traffic. Let's say you want to use Facebook. Let's say you want to use YouTube. It's going to give you, okay, try with YouTube Shorts. Let's try 3 or 4 strategies first, then adapt it to this way. This is working, this is not working. You can start to engage with this traffic generation coach, which will help you build in that arena, in that space. So that's the traffic generation AI. Then you have the sales page and copywriter. Guys, this entire sales page and copywriting has been done with this tool. Okay, this converts really well, but all of his sales pages that have done over $1 million worth in sales, actually $6 million worth of sales, have been done with these elements in this sales page copywriter. So tomorrow, if Kevin, this is why it's so important, and this is why I see the longevity also in just sharing with you a product like this, is because somebody who has created this tool for himself firstly, and if he wants to launch a product tomorrow, this makes his life a whole lot easier. He is definitely going to share that with other people because it's making his life easier. He's going to make other people's life easier just by it. There's a win-win situation from it. So it's very important. Again, 15 years worth of experience that's there in it. Same thing with the YouTube review, a video creator, guys. Just like I'm doing this review, a lot of the times you can do reviews for other products or services. So imagine that you don't know what that product is about and you want to write a review, engaging and a good review about it. Then you take that offer, you put it right here in this, just literally a link, and it will generate the exact script that you would need to create this video, and then you can turn that video into shorts, so you can create multiple content strategies to grow your email list, engage your brand as well. And then pre-sales report, this is something that I personally, so he taught this strategy in another product called Fresh, where in Fresh you have the opportunity also of a marketplace, basically, where you're hosting your pre-sale reports that are available. Now, for example, I am doing a series on YouTube right now that shares how to use a specific tool, and I built 7 blueprints basically using the exact same training that is there in Fresh. So I'm not talking about, I own the products that I share and I review. I don't just randomly review things. So yes, I use that, and I've created 7 blueprints, which is basically lead magnets, a very high value lead magnets or pre-sale reports, if you want to call them, for my list. And I will use the same structure to be able to create blog posts in the future, and so on and so forth. So this tool is going to be also very useful. Video sales letter, as we said before, you can start to create that with this product, and those are the seven bots that are available, which they're all text-based bots at the moment, guys, because that's something that is much more easier. But he's going to be adding every single month much more. So this is the JV page just to share with you. And obviously, besides the fact that I'm not looking at the income earnings, this is purely, I want to give it from a product perspective. I honestly don't care about the income earnings right now. So even if you do get started with me, I hope this tool helps you. I hope Kevin AI really helps you build and grow and improve your AI experience with affiliate marketing. So that's the purpose of why I'm sharing. But just to show you in this JV page right here, I'm gonna pause it because I don't want to. We don't want to hear what he has to say.
Hi guys, Kevin
So
Fahey.
let's just mute it. Not because I don't want to show what he's saying, but it's just giving you a demo. This is these are the products available. Okay, these, yes, he's talking to his JV, so he's showing. So these are the 6 bots that you're getting, and he's going to be adding every single month. He's going to be adding more elements to it and more bots to it, so that it makes your life easier. So imagine that you're getting this software right now, and as different versions of the AI coaches come up, it'll get better and better and better over time. So that means you are at the moment you are getting not you're getting 15 years of experience plus whatever else is going to happen for the future at a fixed price. So that's why I'm telling you to have a look at it. But this is product creation, email marketing, sales coach, as we said before, YouTube, traffic generation, and with new tools and chatbots added every single month with monthly live training sessions. So you're not left alone with these tools. Okay, so that's why that's why personally I'm sharing this, because it's not something that just one time, okay, I've created this bot is going to work, okay, I have this prompt, and that's it. And you have to develop over time, or the person has to take that prompt and then start to put their own inputs in it. For example, I have a product that I personally share with my strategy that is based on my writing style and is my prompt, but it's not a bot, right? So when people reach out to me and actually ask me more information about it, I say, why don't you prompt like this? Why don't you do it like this, in order for you to improve that prompt over time? Okay, so it's not mine is a one-time offer. This is something that's going to be improving over time. So this is the main reason why I want it. At the end of the day, guys, as I said, you can get started for the first week. If you, even at the worst case scenario, try it for 7 days. Okay, get it at $5. You can see it below. You can get it within $5, as you can see right here. It's trial offer is $5, and you can use it for the next 7 days. Okay, use it yourself for the next 7 days for traffic generation, for email marketing. See how it's working for yourself, and then you can decide whether or not you want to go ahead and keep it after those 7 days and pay that $19.95 or not. It's really up to you. I just wanted to share with you. Obviously, there are upsells, and I'm going to tell you that there's 1 upsell, as you can see right here, 2 upsells, 3 upsells, 4 upsells, and 5 upsells. So there are total 5 upsells. Whether the 5 other upsells are case studies and reseller rights and so on and so forth, which are all good. But at the end of the day, I'm going to be focusing on just this front end, which is results with Kevin AI, okay, which is the tool itself. That is solving a problem. The rest are bonuses. I always say they're bonuses. If you want to speed up your process, the upsells are bonuses. You don't need them, but they're going to exist. That is how a value ladder works, guys. That is how a sales funnels work. And if you want to get into marketing in any way, shape, or form, understand that this value ladder exists. In your favorite business out there, this value ladder exists. You might not be aware of it, but it exists. Okay. In affiliate marketing, it's a little bit more obvious. So this is why I'm sharing with you. You have the front end, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upsells. Okay. So totally, if you get everything, obviously I will earn a nice hefty commission, but that's not really my reason for creating this review. As I said, my reason for creating this review is that you are getting AI tools for an affiliate marketer, which also take into consideration the AI models out there adapted for affiliate marketing and going to help you build. Imagine if you build a page like this, okay? It's the exact same page. This entire sales page has been built with AI and with this whole tool itself. Okay, Kevin just put out on his Facebook that he had created this entire page with the tool itself. So why not have a look for 7 days, worst case scenario, and then you can decide if you want to go ahead further. But do me a favor, if you do get it through my link below, I would like you to come back to this video and post your results and post your feedback, post a comment below on the results with Kevin AI. How has it been for you? So that's my review, guys. If you want to join, link is in the description and it will be in the pinned comments. Make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.